Hi, welcome back. We're going to be unboxing this Goal Zero solar generator here, and it comes with this Nomad 200 solar panel. So let's check it out. I originally saw this set at Costco for $1,599, but when I saw it on sale for $12.99, that's a good price point for me. I figure $1 per watt hour is reasonable rate for the power station, and $2 per watt hour for the solar panel is what I consider to be the right price point as well. The Goal Zero Yeti 1000 weighs 33 pounds. It comes in this sturdy shipping container. The packaging is neat and secure. Here is the user manual and product brochure. Oh, I really like this storage bay for the AC adapter and accessories with a lid that covers it. Let's take a closer look at the front panel. There are two AC outlets, 1500 watts capacity, up to 3000 watts surge. Under the display panel, there are the USB charging outlets, including an 18 watt quick charge port and a 60 watt PD port that serves both as input and output. Then there are a variety of 12 volt outlets. Finally, there are these charging ports on the left with a note not to exceed 50 volts on the input. The case itself shows a lot of attention to detail. This is a rugged unit. There are some instructions right on the inside of the storage bay lid. There is also additional input and output ports inside the storage bay. That's a real nice touch. Now let's get the Nomad 200 solar panel out of the box. The outside of the panel is a rugged fabric that has a crisp look to it. The Nomad 200 solar panel weighs 22 pounds. That's not very heavy, but I would suggest an extra set of hands is valuable when setting up the Nomad 200. It's the size of the folding panels that makes it a little challenging. I struggled a little getting the kickstand set up. You just get one in place, then setting up the next kickstand undoes the previous one. Finally, we have the panel set up. Now let's look inside the accessory pouch. There are fixed cables in here, one USB charging port and a 6-foot charging cable that connects to the Yeti 1000X. Let's plug it into the Yeti and get charging. This panel is like 8 feet wide. Let's take a closer look at the display panel now. Pressing the light button activates the display. You can immediately assess the amount of power available and the input and output wattage levels. The unit button cycles through the different electrical units of measure. Okay, let's check the temperatures now. It's 7:32 a.m. and it's 21 Celsius outside. The panels are already at 38 Celsius. I'm going to follow the 65 Celsius guideline and put away all of this kit when we reach that point. We're checking in again on the Yeti power station to see the charge level. Here, we're only getting half the rated wattage of the panels, and the power station is at 74% charged. It's going to be about 5 more hours to a full charge. Now it's 8:11 a.m., 23 degrees Celsius, and I've reoriented the solar panel as the sun has progressed along its path. We're seeing up to 120 watts from the Nomad 200 in these conditions. I feel pretty good about that. The Yeti is at 77% charged with 3 hours to go. The Nomad panel is at 42 Celsius right now. Checking in again at 9:41 a.m., it's 27 Celsius. The Nomad panel is close to that 65 Celsius mark. It's still delivering that 120 watts to the Yeti, and the Yeti is 87% charged. I feel pretty good about that progress. It would be 2 more hours to get to 100% at this point. I'm going to pack up all this kit to protect it from the heat. Here I am charging the Yeti up using the included AC adapter. It's good to cycle these power stations every so often, discharge and recharge again. If you have a question about the Goal Zero Yeti 1000X power station and Nomad 200 solar panel, please leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. And before you go watch more of my Exploring Portable Solar Solutions playlist, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.